Asim Sundari Devi is the co-founder and director of Green Biotech Eco Solutions, has completed her bachelor's in homeopathy medicine and surgery. It's very interesting that you are presenting here in extension. Geeta Suri Yaman, Dr. Asim Sundari Devi has been conferred with Vasudhara Northeast Woman Entrepreneur of the Year for.
Sir, unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, so then Asim Sundari Devi, she is the co-founder and director of Green Biotech Eco Solutions, has completed her bachelor's in homeopathy medicine and surgery. Very good. And presenting here in extension from this kind of topic from background, some people are coming into. Okay, then it can be people can read in agribusiness. He has done from training under the agri clinics and agribusiness scheme implemented by Manage. Very good experience, and she has received some award also. Let us, Geeta, you can make presentation now.
There are two partners, sir. One is Geeta Suryamanam and Asim Sundari Devi. Both are partners altogether. Yeah.
Okay, we are welcome. Asim, any one of you can make presentation or.
Okay, very good afternoon.
Very good. Yes.
I just want to share. Please share the slide.
Yes, madam. The PPT job.
Good afternoon to everyone. Yes, thank you very much. Today we want to present our PPT regarding that organic farming, mushroom fishery, value chain extension. We, as our company is Green Biotech Eco Solutions Private Limited. We have missions to think green and think beyond. So we really want to do something in a very good motto for this agriculture and extension. So I want to share our company profile. Next slide. Yes. Yeah, Green Biotech is incorporated in 2016 and we are based in Imphal, Manipur. So we are the first biofertilizer and biopesticide probiotic aquaculture inputs manufacturing company. We have more than 30 products and we are focusing on the biosolutions for the crops, soil, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and environmental inputs. Our company is also ISO certified and organic certified, and we are also associated with the ICAR, Central Agriculture University, Department of Agriculture, Horticulture, Fisheries, Veterinaries, KVKs, NABARD, NGOs, FPOs, Select Group, and the Farmers Club. So we are supporting all the services to all our farmers also. So we are associated with different departments. Next slide, please. And these are some key achievements now, and I just want to share because when we started our venture, it was very difficult to convince our farmers that to convert into organic farming and all. So from that point, we have created about 464 retailers across the Manipur, and then extended our business in Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. So our product has been used by more than 7,000 farmers and utilizing 4,000 acres of field across the Manipur and in the other side of Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland. So our team size is about 25 people with 80% of women staff. So we are also empowering the women so that they can live a very successful and sustainable life for their family also. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is the brief introduction that sir also have given, and yeah, I also do the DST Women Scientists in the Department of Science and Technology. So after completion of my BHMS, and I also did my BSc Geology, so that I can do I really want to use entrepreneurship development things. So I asked like training that I can adopt after completion of my zoology. And also after doing all this thing, I got the chance to entrepreneurship development program. So after that, we have also started one of the aqua center and all. And Gitasuri have already have lots of experience about the biofertilizer manufacturing and all, because she used to be the general manager of one of the leading company of biofertilizer and have lots of experience. And she have done the MSc forestry from Kumaun University. And after completion of the SC and ABC scheme, we have started this our company. And we also got the subsidy from the NABARD and when we started our this venture. So SCABC program is a very helpful program for us, that we have at the initial stage. We got lots of inputs from the MANES. So that's why we can say we are here, because we got lots of help from MANES also. So these are some points that I want to share. Next slide, please. Yeah, I really want to share about our products and the services of Green Biotech, what we are doing in our company. So we have different ranges of biopesticides, and it's about the botanical origin, bacterial origin, and the fungal origin. We have different varieties of biopesticides, and it's very innovative and very cost effective and have very better yield. When we compare to the chemical also, it's like it's very good, like we can compete the chemical thing also. That's why we are trying to pressurize our farmers that you can get lots of benefits, and you will not spoil the soil of the environment also. That's why we always try to insist our farmer to convert into organic farming. And we also give all the services like how you can adopt this type of farming, the organic farming, the most sustainable agriculture way of farming. So we always do the training program for them and the awareness program for all the farmers that they want to adopt this organic farming and all. So we have different varieties like the powder formulation and liquid formulations. Next slide, please. Yeah, these are some of the biofertilizer that we have. We have different varieties of biofertilizer like Azotobacter, Azospirillum, PSB, KSB, ZSB. And we have also done one of the waste management program, that all the kitchen waste can be converted with the compost. So we are producing one of the activator also, like so that we can at least convert this waste of the kitchen to the compost, so that we can use in our kitchen garden and other for inputs. Next slide, please. This is one of the probiotic that we are manufacturing in our center. So this probiotic is for this aquaculture, and it boosts the immune system of the fish and prawn, and this dissolved oxygen improve. And there is like lots of quality of this product. So we are also helping our farmers in order to to enhance their productivity, and the mortality rate of the fish has been reduced after using this type of product. So we are helping our farmers by producing this type of probiotic. Next slide, please. Yes, we are conducting lots of awareness program, not only in the Manipur, but also in the Assam and Meghalaya also. So this is one of the that I'm sharing here. Like we always do a training program along with like we also sell our product, but we used to provide them how this product can be used. Like if you want to do organic farming, then definitely it's a sustainable way of farming. So this type of promotion we are doing in a farmer level. And we are also distributing the organic inputs across the Manipur and the northeastern state. And we do agri-clinic and farmer consultancy service. Like if the farmers have any problems regarding the pest management, so we do the consultancy service, and we also do the diagnosis, and we give the expert opinion, and we also provide the inputs for them. So it's a total solution that we are making for our farmer. And yeah, awareness program training, most important thing that that scenario we are seeing here, because without knowing this knowledge and the technology how to adopt this organic farming and all, it's useless to produce all the organic inputs. So we always try to give the awareness program, training program to the farmer. At least they should understand how we can adopt this organic farming. We also do the mushroom cultivation training and spawn, because many farmers don't only adopt only organic farming, nothing like that, because they always do integrated type of farming. Because if somebody wants to do organic farming also, then they want to do mushroom cultivation also. So likewise, we are just like making a cluster of training program for them. So we are also providing the mushroom spawn, because we are producing mushroom spawn also. So we are providing training and the spawn training of the cultivation of the mushroom and the training for the spawn production. At least if the hilly people wants to come and buy the spawn, it's very difficult to get the connection, because the transportation is very, very poor here. So we always try to teach them like how to produce your own spawn over there, and they can cultivate their own mushroom. So likewise, we are doing the training. And also fish is one of the most important thing for Manipur. So we are also doing the fishery skill management training for the fish farmers. And soil testing laboratory also we have. So we are giving the services for soil testing and the water testing. And with the help of the sponsorship program from National Fishery Development Board, we have set up the Aquatic Animal Health Laboratory and Aqua One Center. Here we are providing all these water testing for the fish farmers, and fish health diagnosis we are doing here. And we are providing the services for the fish farm. At least they can get lots of inputs and the diagnosis, so that the mortality rate of the fish can be reduced. So we are helping accordingly. And we are also the Nodal Training Institute for every clinic and every business, sponsored managed Hyderabad. We have already started first batch, and we are trying to start the next one. So we are all our services is I'm sharing this. Next slide, please. So this is one activity that our center is doing. We are doing the Aqua One Center. So here we are
Sundari, slide is not moving. Sundari. Yeah, Dr. Sundari.
It is moving, sir.
We are also doing
Moving. I'm not able to see. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
The slide is okay. The voice is a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah.
We are in our center. So we are particularly given from the code for center. Monitoring from we are monitoring the field. We are beneficiary. Next slide, please. Yes, and during this lockdown, because of this COVID, previous slide, please. Previous slide, please. Yes, yeah. Farmers able to come to deliver all their inputs for the farming, and also convert the This is the so this is the fruits. So that during that period, the farmers were unable to sell their fruits, that especially the pineapple. So that time we have taken an MOU from the Central Agriculture University for the food processing of the pineapple, the juice and all. So we have taken an we have taken the transfer of technology and then started producing this.
Ma'am, are you there?
Dr. Sundari, we are not getting the voice. Dr. Sundari.
I can.
Yeah, now it's fine. Kindly talk near to mic, no? Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, please share the next slide.
Mr. Kaushik. Yeah, Sundar, you can talk anyway. It will said you talk, no?
Sir, during this time to the farmers, not only the farmers but our staff, the farmers, they were a little bit panic about this attack. As a entrepreneur, we have to overcome all these things. So we always try to do our work so that give their salary in time and all. So we always try to do all this activity during this pandemic. That's why I just want to show in this thing. And the thing is that we the slide is that slide.
Okay, I think we can conclude.
Sorry, I lost the internet connection, so I couldn't share the slide. Right now, I'm okay.
Is she able to hear? She can conclude where it is already, because many activities we have seen. So it is a wonderful experience.
Yeah.
There are many products you have developed.
This is the first.
So it can be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Agri-clinic candidates and are doing a different jobs and they have started. So they have started their venture. So I really want to share after that. So sir, that previous slide, can I show the previous slide?
Actually, it is taking time. Let us assume that it is concluded. So, because all the activities are very impressive, it's a wonderful. Oh, okay, we are very happy to see this. So actually, first of all, I appreciate you for wonderful presentation, both of you, Dr. Sundari and Mr. Geeta Sori. And especially, I liked it because you are doing organic farming by getting it certified by Uttarakhand State Certification Agency. I saw as name. I think, am I right? You got certification from Uttarakhand State Certification Agency. Yes, good. So then, once you have been doing certified organic agriculture, especially when you are producing inputs which are required for doing organic agriculture in a sustainable manner, because input is a very big issue in organic farming. certified organic inputs are not available in market, and that is hampering organic farming promotion. You are engaged in that job. Have you explored any export market for your certified organic product? Are you linked with the exporting agencies?
We have done an MOU with South Korea. So the this is delayed. Really, we are trying to China at least, and by our neighboring countries like Myanmar.
Are you getting some kind of okay? Are you getting some support from Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Indian region? Because that this particular program under National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture, they are supporting Northeast in a big way on organic agriculture front. Are you associated with that Mission Organic Value Chain Development in Northeast region?
Yes, sir. We are getting,
because government will good. Because
even though helping Mission promote inputs, always help us.
Okay, good. Okay, final question from my side: that what future you see for organic farming in Northeast?
Our plan, our mission is to convert our organic farming state, and our state as an organic state, we will stable. So yeah, but before this is we can like that, but some option so but we can convert very easily, sir. So
thank you.
Yeah, our target is to convert our Northeast as an organic state.
That's a very good goal you are having. And finally, thank you very much for very nice presentation. It was very good because practically you are involved in producing the product and able to market these product, and also trying to go beyond the country, export, because this is what is needed for the development of agriculture sector. Thank you very much for your presentation, for both of you, Geeta Sori and Dr. Sundari. Thank you very much.